So there what we wrote, if f bar is irrotational, so it means a vector f bar is irrotational, there will be, there will always exist, a scalar function, phi of xyz, scalar function phi of xyz, such that f bar is equal to grad phi or del phi. This phi is known as, this phi is known as scalar potential function. Scalar potential function. Scalar potential function. So very important. It's a type 1. We'll discuss that. So here it is when we'll say that. So if the given vector is a irrotational vector, then there exists a scalar function phi exists out. So that phi existed, phi should satisfy the condition. What is that condition? F bar is equal to del phi. Whatever the function we are saying, whatever the scalar function we are saying, that function should exist this condition. What is that condition? F bar is equal to del phi. It means after getting phi, if you find del for this or grad for this, what you need to get? Whatever the vector they give. But for calculating scalar potential function, first of all, the given vector must be irrotational. If it is irrotational, then only scalar potential function will exist. If this vector is not irrotational, obviously scalar potential function does not exist. So keep in mind, very important point in problem. So essay 1. Okay. So if it is the given vector is irrotational vector, then one phi will exist. That phi is nothing but simply we are calling as scalar potential function. Whatever the phi existed, that phi should satisfy the condition. What is that condition? F bar is equal to del phi. If this condition satisfies, simply will say that this is nothing but scalar potential function. Okay. Before calculating scalar potential function, first of all, the vector must be irrotational. So this one you need to keep in mind. And conservative vector field are irrotational. Both are same. Okay. So another name for irrotational is nothing but, so simply you can remember that conservative vector field. Okay. And solenoid also there we said, what we said? Conservative of mass we said. And here we are saying conservative vector field is nothing but irrotational. Okay. So irrotational or conservative vector field, both are same. And this is nothing but, for saying this one is nothing but curly f is equal 0 1. So this one we need to know that. Okay. And next, coming to next problems on this. So already we did this type of one. If f is equal, if f is equal r power n r bar, r power n r bar. Okay. Then find curly f bar. Same this type of question. What we solved? Divergence we calculated. There we got it as r power n into n plus 3, right? And when it is a solenoidal also we asked. Okay. Same that question here we are using for curlum. So here it is simply what we said. If it is in the problem, r bar or r is there, you need to remember all the things what we require. So r is nothing but what, and r bar, all those things you need to write. So let r bar is equal, so xi plus yj plus zk be a position vector, right? And immediately r is equal modulus r bar, magnitude is nothing but simply we are writing as square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and squaring on both sides, simply we'll get it as r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. And by applying partial derivative this one with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, what we got it, dou r by dou x is nothing but x by r, and dou r by dou y is equal to y by r, and dou r by dou z is equal to z by r, right? Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. So this one we already know that. And now we go for f form. So f is nothing but here it is having what, r power n r barum. So this is equal r power n into r bar is nothing but here it is having what we know that xi plus yj plus zk. And then so simply you can multiply this one r power n into xi plus r power n into yj plus r power n into zk. So this is the vector f form. Now we need to calculate curly f, right? So curly f is equal, this is in word notation, and symbolic notation simply you can write del cross f form. So this is equal, so simply that I j k, and del is nothing but the coefficient of I is dou by dou x, and j coefficient is dou by dou y, and coefficient is dou by dou z. And f is nothing but in that I coefficient r power n into x, r power n into y, r power n into z. So this is equal. So simply what we can write, curly f is equal, curly f is equal to I into. So this is simply what we can write. Dou by dou y of r power n z minus, so this is dou by dou y of r power n into z minus dou by dou z of r power n into y, and next minus j into, so this is same dou by dou x of r power n into z minus dou by dou z of r power n into x plus k into, so this is nothing but dou by dou x of r power n y minus dou by dou y of r power n x. So this is, so this is equal I into, so simply here it is with respect to ym, z is a constant we can write outside, and r power n derivative is nothing but n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou y minus dou by dou z of r power n ym. So y simply you can write outside, and dou by dou z of r power n is nothing but simply what we can write, r power n derivative is nothing but n into r power n minus 1, n into r power n minus 1 into, so r derivative dou r by dou z. Once if you write correctly first one, and obviously remaining as usual you'll get it. See here, minus j into r power n z is nothing but z into r power n derivatives n into r power n minus 1 and dou r by dou x minus, here also same thing, x is a constant, n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z plus k into, same like that, so k into r power n y. So y is a constant, n into r power n minus 1, and r derivative is nothing but dou r by dou x. And next here it is same thing, minus x into n into r power n minus 1, and here it is having, so dou r by dou y. So dou r by dou y. If you observe that each and every term, which one is the common one? N r power n minus 1, right? So n r power n minus 1, I am writing outside, and then I into, so simply what we'll get, z as this, and dou r by dou y and y by r minus y into dou r by dou z is nothing but z by r, right? And next minus j into, minus j into, here it is having, so minus j into, same what we'll get here it is z into x by r dou r by dou x minus x into z by r plus k into, here it is having y into x by r minus x into y by r and a whole thing. So this is equal n r power n minus 1 into, so what we'll get simply here it is, see here, yz by r, yz by r. So this one, and this one, and this one, obviously we'll get it as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. So this is equal, simply we'll say that 0 bar. So curl r bar, curl f is equal to 0. Obviously what we can say that, so f is equal r power n into r bar is a irrotational vector, is a irrotational vector. Okay, so this is the one, irrotational vector. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt in this? Once you see that, find whether the function, find whether the function f bar is equal x square minus y cube I plus y square minus 3xj plus z square minus xyk is irrotational, and hence find scalar potential function, corresponding to it, This is, so actually here it is two questions included, right? Find whether the function is irrotational, and he's not saying that that is irrotational. So just simply what they are asking. So you need to check whether the function is irrotational or not. If it is irrotational, then you can go through to find scalar potential functional. So this one you need to calculate. Okay. So here it is. Let us see that the solution. First, what we need to do that, we need to check whether it is irrotational or not. For checking irrotational, it means what it satisfies. It satisfies the condition